Write a song using the words sleep, knees, game, medicine, judge, devil.
What this show is about is showcasing the art of collaboration and the art of songwriting.
Drinking beer on a champagne night.
Love that.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna get a heart attack.
3 minutes left. We can go.
So stressed out, Jesus Christ. I can't do anything. The computer's frozen.
Time-wise, we are running out big time. But we've got it. What we've got to do now is do vocals as fast as possible.
Write a song. These 3 emojis. Okay. Lipstick, peach, death.
You see that clearly, get it from VC. But when the ship goes down, I like my milk like I like my whiskey. Sitting on a throne, waiting till I am alone once more. Gonna beat you when you're down and nobody is around.
Sometimes I wish my ex just cheated on me.
Why?
I wish you would have cheated and smashed my heart to pieces. I wish.
Hoping to hear something honest. I'm hoping to hear something that surprises me.
You guys have a future.
Yeah.
You guys are great at what you do.
I love it. That is incredible. Wow.